Hello, it's me Simran and welcome to the Blitz News channel. Let's talk about this big update. After the ever increasing corona infection in Rajasthan, the administration has become active. After the guidelines of the Home Department, the Education Department has also issued a new guideline of corona. Schools across the state will now have 3 shifts. Children of classes 1st to 5th will be called to study from 10 am to 3:45 pm. Children from classes 6 to 8 will be called to school from 10:15 am to 4 pm. Children of classes 9 to 12 have been kept in shifts from 10:30 am to 4:15 pm. The Education Department has also banned the opening of prayer meetings and canteens. RT-PCR tests of students from outside states has been made mandatory, and they will be kept in quarantine till the investigation report comes. The school where COVID positive will be found, that class will have to be closed for 10 days. After the increase in the cases of corona in the state, the Education Department has issued an order for a new COVID guideline. Now, school management will not be able to force children to come to school. All schools will have to run online classes. Staff will be admitted only after screening, and a distance of 2 yards and a mask will be mandatory. There will be no prayer meetings in schools, and the canteen will remain closed, and the school will have to be sanitized every day. Crowded events will not be allowed. Bus, auto and cab drivers will be required to get both doses of COVID vaccine 14 days in advance. In view of the situation, the power to take decision has been given to the district collector. So that's it from us in this big update. Thank you for your time.